Meaning of exposure.
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 Exposure. Exposure refers to the amount of light that reaches the camera sensor when taking a photo. It can also refer to the duration of time that the camera sensor is exposed to the light. Exposure affects the brightness and detail of a photo. Overexposure results in a bright, washed-out image with few details, while underexposure produces a dark, detail-less photo. Proper exposure results in a balanced and well-exposed image with accurate colors and details. Mastering exposure is a fundamental skill for any photographer who wants to capture great photos.